Does your iPhone won't turn on? Use this. First, open FoneLab iOS System Recovery. Then the iOS issues it can fix will be displayed. Click Start. Then connect your iPhone to your computer. Between Standard and Advanced mode, choose what is suitable for your device. Click Confirm. Then choose the iOS version that is best for your phone. The tool will download the firmware and prepare it on your iPhone. Afterwards, your device will be under repair. Wait for the process to be finished, and you're good to go. Like and follow for more.